My name is Miron Livny. I'm a professor at the University of Wisconsin, and the good news is that you don't have to know anything about Japanese to understand my talk. So I'm going to talk to you about continuous assurance, and if we believe that continuous assurance is a natural extension of continuous integration, and this is what you need in order to get the power and the potential out of DevOps. So we introduced continuous assurance in a proposal to DHS Science and Technology, a bunch of academicians that have quite a bit of experience in operational security and software development, and we understand that if you are using the wrong software, it may have a kinetic effect, like what happened to this container ship. So when you think about DevOps and you think about moving quickly from ideas to software and then back in a continuous delivery, it is critical that you realize that a lot of our lives are depending on software. So here's a list of all the wonderful things that DevOps can do for you, but we believe that the key for this is do it assurance early and do it assurance often. The first one is speed. You want to get from ideas to software quickly, do it often and do it early in order to accomplish the speed. And that is by integrating your continuous assurance into your continuous integration and into your software development and into your code repository, so that you can also move to the other potential, which is rapid delivery. So do it early and do it often, the assurance, by keeping track where you are in the process of assurance, bookkeeping, monitoring, scheduling, tracking, so you don't wake up in the last minute and saying, oh, what about software assurance before I deliver my product to the user. The next one obviously is reliability. We saw what happened to this container ship, and if you do it early and you do it often, you will deliver more secure software, and I assume that that's what we are all here about. And a key to this, we believe in continuous assurance, is to provide access to as many tools as possible and to view them in an integrated viewer, that you do it early and you do it often, and that will enable you also to address the scale challenge. We want more code, more components, more platforms, more machines, more. And in order to get this going, we need automation, we need what we call high throughput computing in the back end, and we need access to as many platforms as we want, as is needed, because of this continuously multi-platform environment. Now, scale introduces obviously the need for collaboration, and again, we do it early, do it often, so you can really integrate with all the different players, federated identity management, federated software, federated computing resources. All of it is critical for your ability to do continuous assurance. And you want all of this to do it in a secure environment. And therefore, if you do it securely early and you do it securely often, then you will be able to do what DevOps is all about and be able to do your assessment in a clean environment without side effects, that suddenly you wake up and the build doesn't work or something else doesn't behave the way it should because of side effects of what you did earlier. And it goes without saying that you need to train your workforce for continuous assurance so they understand that doing it early and doing it often is the key, and for this you have to provide them with hands-on access to your continuous assurance. So if you want to talk more about continuous assurance, talk to us. Thank you, and do it early, do it often.